How to change YouTube banner on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the YouTube homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on your profile. Here, tap on View Channel as shown. You can view your channel playlists and posts over here. Now, tap on the edit icon beside Manage Videos. You can view and manage the channel settings from here. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the camera icon. Then, tap on Choose from your photos. Choose the photo you like from your library. Drag and place the crop over the area you want to use. And then, tap on Save Above. You have now successfully updated your channel banner. Following these steps, you can easily change YouTube banner on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.